How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Welcome to Digital DIY Guide Channel's Instagram tutorial. Today, I will walk you through how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you find this tutorial useful, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It truly makes a difference. Let's dive into how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Start by launching the Instagram application on either your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon, located at the app's bottom right corner, to access your profile. Next, access the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines situated in the top right corner and proceed to Settings in Privacy. For those with a professional account, you will find an option labeled for Professionals, followed by Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it, scroll down to the bottom, and you will find Switch Account Type. Here, two choices will be presented. Opt for Switch to Personal Account at the top. By selecting Switch to Personal Account, you are just a confirmation away from reverting your account type. Confirm your choice by selecting Switch to Personal Account again, and your Instagram account is now set back to a personal profile. That concludes our guide on switching back to a personal Instagram account. Should you have any inquiries, feel free to drop a comment below. I will respond as swiftly as possible. For additional Instagram tips and tutorials, check out the links in the description. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching,